Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm going to be doing what I'm referring to as a fine art flip. This is where I've been seeing this all over the internet, where people are going to thrift stores and finding these paintings and turning them into their own creation. So I thought it'd be a really fun thing to at least try once. But I might end up doing more than once because it was super duper fun. So I'm calling it Fine Art Flip, where I turn this into this. So I hope you enjoy. This one might be the one. All right, well, I think that's going to conclude this painting. That was super fun. I have been seeing all over the internet people taking thrift store paintings and converting them into more expressive fine art type of paintings, and I thought, hey, why not throw my hat into the game, because it does look like so much fun. So I went and explored and found a thrift store painting, and I figured I would turn it into an autumn painting. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process. I just painted today. I used any materials I wanted, and I just had fun. So I hope you enjoy watching the process.